Zhongshan Yisheng Metal Manufacturing Company, Ltd., one mechanized sheet metal manufacturer since 1996 that can provide customized product 1-hour quotation and 5-hour rapid sample service. Leading manufacturing expert in customization and design. Free sample, free renderings. Online 3D/VR factory inspection. Customized product, no MOQ required. Strict followed with ISO system management, fully mechanized and standardized production procedure, higher product precision, full tracking of pre-shipment inspection, providing online inspection videos, pictures, reports, etc. Global well-known brand, strategic supplier.
Welcome to Yisheng Metal. This is our factory building.